We're going to create this curtain effect in PowerPoint. First, let's open up a page and insert an image. Fill the page with this image. Duplicate this slide either by Ctrl-D or by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate Slide. Click the first slide and right-click to format Picture. Choose the color option and click on light gray. Let's go to Insert and choose to insert a text box. Type in Italy. Change the font and size. Insert another text box and insert some text. Center the text. And let's insert a subheading. Change the font color and size. Let's change the color of the word Italy and make it the same for Venice. Next, click on the second slide, and then go to Transitions. Scroll to find the curtain option. We have now created the curtain transition. We can make the curtain transition faster by adjusting the duration. This is how it looks. Let's go back to this duration. It looks good. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.